Quick closing butterfly valve. Quick closing butterfly valve is an important part of the safety system of generating units. That is, it is used to ensure the safe operation of steam turbines. A generator is installed on the pipe, connected to a steam turbine. If an accident occurs in the system, the quick closing butterfly valve can immediately cut off the flow, thus protecting important equipment. Quick closing butterfly valve control system consists of three parts: controllers, switches, display, and alarm signal operation. The use of the controller lets send closing signal quickly, and the setup of the system can meet any remote and local control requirements. Use of the electric control system lets achieve valve closing times of 0.3 to 0.5 seconds. Highly integrated, compact, small and light, the valve also has passed round tests and guarantees fast and secure operation. Avoidance of inertial impact extends the valve service life. Quick closing butterfly valve uses free eccentric metal hard seal butterfly valve. It rotates 90 degrees and provides quick closing time and high reliability. Main features: size DN300 to DN1400, pressure 0.6 to 4.0 MPa, body WCB, connection, flange. Quick closing devices: accumulator, spring. Our quick closing butterfly valve have the following features: 1. Structural design using the free eccentric metal hard seal. Unique free eccentric structure ensures close contact and good sealing with zero leakage. The metal seal ring provides for more frequent switching and better sealing. The eccentric sealing surface also has self-positioning functions. 2. The sealing ring is on the disc, is made from stainless steel and graphite and has enough floating to compensate the micro-deformation of butterfly plate when the temperature changes occur during installation or use. 3. The stem used in the valve has high connection strength. It is connected with keys or pins. The valve structure helps locate the valve stem position and protect the stem from going out. 4. Valve sealing surface uses STL integrated hard-facing weld technology and provides corrosion resistance, long service life, and easy maintenance. The quick closing butterfly valve uses the streamlined design, ensuring smooth flow and easy operation.